This week, the case against the 5 men accused of aiding the hijackers inched forward with pretrial hearings. Senior investigative correspondent Catherine Herridge was at Ground Zero on 9/11 and has followed the case to the military court in Guantanamo Bay, Cuba, where she joins us now. Catherine, good morning.
Michelle, this week lawyers argued over the evidence, and there is still no date on the calendar for the actual trial to begin. The 5 defendants, including the self-described architect of the attack, Khalid Sheikh Mohammed, are accused of war crimes, including conspiracy to commit acts of terrorism, hijacking, and the intentional murder of civilians. Inside the high-security court, their first appearance since the pandemic hit, the men appeared older, some thinner. Khalid Sheikh Mohammed stroked his long white beard, tinted orange on the sides. In the gallery, a handful of 9/11 family members.
It was a very emotional experience for me. It was very moving, very difficult.
The biggest legal block is the men's CIA detention before they arrived at Guantanamo. Military prosecutors say they are committed to a fair and just process, however long it takes, Dana.
Catherine Herridge in Guantanamo Bay, Cuba. Thank you, Catherine.